Youth in India are asking me all the time, Sadhguru, you have influence in the government, why don't you make marijuana legal for us? I said, why marijuana? I'll make cocaine also legal. What's the problem? The problem is just this, you need a major surgery and the surgeon comes really smoked up. You want this surgery? Oh no! So you understand, it lowers your faculties. If you lower your faculties, your life gets lowered or high. Lowered. So never use the word high again. You say, I smoked and I'm low. You come, I'll show you, wait, look at my eyes, I'm always stoned. Yes, look at me, never touch the substance. Because the greatest chemical factory on the planet is here.